Hello everybody, welcome back to Watch Dogs. Here we're going to be shooting people? I honestly thought this game was just about watching dogs. Does this washcloth smell like chloroform to you?
New Dawn wants to step into the ring with us. They got our recruitment video killed on all the big social media sites and threatened to sue anyone who hosts it. This is gonna cost us a lot of followers.
DMCA takedown.
They treat followers like money in this game.
This is worse than annoying. This is a declaration of war. I will not be censored.
Hey, New Dawn's a fucking scam. With rich people throwing away their money for some elitist circle jerk shit. This could be big for us. I mean, nobody's gonna take the side of those assholes unless they're already members.
We are still gonna cornhole this fake-ass church.
What's cornhole?
Where the corn goes after you eat the corn, Josh.
Oh.
They don't like us using footage of their celebrity whore, Jimmy Siska. So let's start with him. He's our highest profile spokesperson.
But it's Jimmy Siska. I mean, when I was a kid, I had the Siska glasses, the pop collar. I even knew every line to Open Wounds.
Dude, me too! I even have the lunchbox.
Nice.
Mint condition.
Nice.
Just not Cisco, okay? So anyone but him.
There's
please.
gotta be another way, all right? I don't...
He's in town shooting Cyber Driver. I was just thinking maybe we could talk to him. Fuck up his relationship with New Dawn.
Get off the joint at the wrong time.
He can go back to being less of a douchebag.
Then I could
think
go
you
back
get
to
off
wearing my
joining at the
Siska
wrong
tees
time.
without feeling like one.
Wait a minute. You used cornhole as a verb.
It's in a
That doesn't
cutscene.
even make sense in the context
Not
of
talking
you.
to a cutscene. Awkward.
Okay, we focus on Siska. New Dawn keeps blackmail records of their celebrity shills, right? We check out the local center, we just need to get in and dig up his file. Everybody in?
In.
I'll round up the locals and I'll meet you there.
Let the cornholing begin.
You heard the man.
Cornhole.
I feel like we could have came up with a better name than DeadSec. It's not like a bug company. I did not see that person on the bike. I killed somebody and I have got. Hopefully this mission takes them off me. Protesters, don't leave. Start mission. Start mission. Yes. No one told that person to be on a moped on the street and stopping at stop sign.
Buy enlightenment. It only costs your life savings. Buy enlightenment.
Exactly.
It only costs your life savings.
Alright, cutscene.
Distracting enough for you? You gonna go inside and take a peek, or?
Oh, yeah. Oh, and I wore my church clothes.
Nice. Buy enlightenment. It only costs your life savings.
He stops up on church clothes and puts on a bandana.
All right, I'm heading in. I'll dig up what I can on Siska.
We're about to go to battle
You
with
should
these
jump to
fuckers.
access the area.
I need anything shady you can find. If we want to pick up followers, we need to generate some serious outrage.
Can't we just make something up?
If we get caught lying, everything else
where's my
DedSec ever claimed will be called a lie. Don't worry. If they've shit the bed, I'll find the dirty sheets.
And in comes Marcus with the classy metaphor.
I aim to please.
This is gonna take me a grip to do. Let me tell you why. 'Cause I am terrible at using this game. I'm gonna get caught. I'm gonna try to hack something and fail. Find access key. Let's just open the door anyway. Sable is less smart. Okay, let's kill a few people because I need a distraction. Alright, I'm gonna need y'all to go over here. Cause I'm gonna need to like shock y'all to goddamn death. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Everybody go over there. I need to kill y'all. too sweet. Are you serious? He opened that stupid door. Alright, now that that's over with. Wait a minute. No. Back in my drone. I know I entered a restricted area. Let me tell you why I know. Oh, jumper detected. Kill him. Damn it. Wait, is the front door open? Oh, content. There's a Lambo right in back of me. And it's my...
Check your corners.
There is a Lambo right here. I am taking that, G. No, stop playing the music. Bad. I gotta remember to turn off music.
I don't recognize you. Who are you?
I'm about to clap all you. Come here.
Be advised that we have reports of previously identified target near your location.
Damn it. No. Stop. Stop. What are you doing? Get your gun out, you idiot. Oh, good. They ain't taking me out alive. I'm dying a real one. Go. Hackety hack. We got murder on our mind. Come on.
Take cover!
Come on.
Take cover! You're making it.
They throw a grenade! They're inside of a building! They got grenades. Who lets police guard an area with grenades? Wait, this doesn't kill them? I'm a nice one. I was thinking to kill people. This just stuns them. I'm going for the greater good. The greater good of police. Oh, shit.
Grenade
They're
going
going
out!
to kill me.
Get at your cover!
Oh my god. I don't remember how to do anything. They're shooting me through everything. I'm hurt.
Do you really want to go home in a body bag?
Badly. Yes. Yeah. Wow.
I need to reload!
I found the Lambo and I stole it, so I had cops on me before I entered the building, to be fair. And I vanished. Oh god, no, the copyright. Turn it off. Turn it all the way off. No,
Guys, I think we can use Siska as an ally.
Matter of fact,
the man's
while
in big
we at
trouble
it,
with
where's
the
the
church.
settings at? We turn that off right now. Oh yeah, it's a lot further than I thought it was. Definitely put a waypoint. Damn it. Oh, I got it. Okay, so I got stuck between the rock and that was fun. Hey, yo, man chick. Like my whip. Okay.
What kind of trouble you in?
We're making trouble for the church.
We who?
DedSec.
I knew it. I have friends that would love to put DedSec behind bars.
Like a good fight? Hey, so did you.
Excuse me?
Oh, I watched you go toe-to-toe with New Dawn back in the day, but hey, I get it. You a councilwoman now.
No. You don't
What?
get to pull that I sold out crap on me. These assholes wreck lives on a weekly basis. They went public with videos of my surgeries. But here's the thing. I don't give a shit.
Oh, so
I
this
got
person was a
nothing to
man.
hide.
I kind of felt it like it was a man.
But you're right. I am a councilwoman now.
It
My
was,
hands are tied.
That's why you asked me to
This
meet you here.
woman was a man at first.
You
I
need
could
my
hear it in
help.
the voice.
Looks like you need mine. Plus, I finished
She
what I
whispered
started.
in your ear.
First of all, don't mistake New Dawn for a church. They are a criminal organization. I pulled the records on all the properties they own in the Bay Area, and there's one that just doesn't check out. Over there. They have it marked as an educational center. Doors are
I've
locked.
already been recording for
Nobody
30
answers.
minutes.
Security
Huh.
comes and goes.
That should be enough for a
Does
video.
that sound like an education center to you?
Nah, it sounds like a re-education center.
I'll stick around. Go see what you can find.
On the next episode of Watch Dogs 2, we'll see what.
Thanks,
I found.
Miranda.
SK Fusion.